Let's go at Hidden Fish for an omakase night. Nag-order ako ng Pure Dawn Sake, very smooth. Nga pala si Chef Steven. And we started with a snow crab legs from Canada, 5 over 5. Golden eye snapper, 5 over 5. And then ito, pine-prepare sa harapan mo. With omakase, wala kang choice. Basta 18-course meal yung ipre-prepare sa'yo ng chef, yun yung isi-serve sa'yo. Pwede ka naman mag-order later on after the 90, kasi 90-minute omakase siya eh. Sea Dream, 5 over 5. Meron siyang radish ponzu, scallions, and sea salt. Ito naman yung barakuda. May light sear on skin and grated ginger. Yan. 4 over 5 ang rating ko dito. Ito yung menu and iniiskoran ko talaga yan kasi kakaibang experience siya for me. Ito yung striped jack, medyo firm pero 5 over 5 ang rating ko dito. Ito isda na hindi ko pa nakakain. Now, chef is preparing jack mackerel with ginger scallion oil. Light yung flavor niya, hindi siya lasang tinapa na tinapa. Rating ko dito is 5 over 5. Si Jenny, yung server namin, sobrang attentive. So, shout out sa kanya. Ito naman yung sea bass from Greece, lightly seared, with yuzu ponzu. I gave it 3 over 5. Parang nothing special, just a sea bass. Ito naman yung bonito. Ikakat pa yan ni Chef. Ayan. Bonito has ponzu, scallions, and grated ginger. Ang rating ko dito is 4 over 5. Ayan yung ginger nilalagay ni Chef. Very meticulous talaga si Chef. Na-entertain ako sa kanya habang pinapanood ko siya. Ang ganda ng kamay niya. Pwede siyang hand model. O diba, na ADHD na ako. Andito tayo for omakase, okay? Huwag kang kung ano-anong naiisip. Pero in fairness, ang ganda talaga ng kamay niya. Oh, smooth. Ano kayong lotion ng gamit ni Chef? There you are. It's the bonito. Ito namang next na item is yellowtail with soy-based chimichurri. Sa tingin ko, kung caviar yung nilagay niya sa taas, mas magugustuhan ko siya. Kaya 3 over 5 ang score nitong yellowtail with soy-based chimichurri na fusion niya ang east and west. So, okay, eto naman ang salmon with yuzu pepper paste and sesame seed. The salmon came from New Zealand. It's a 5 over 5. Ang sarap pala ng New Zealand salmon. Next country to visit, yan, lagay nyo sa bucket list nyo. Salmon. This one is the albacore with hickory. It's hickory cold smoke, ponzu, garlic paste, and scallion. From Canada yan, mga mima. Ang rating ko naman dito is 4 over 5. Kasi parang, okay siya, pero nothing special. It's a tuna, albacore tuna. Ang ganda ng plating ni Chef. Ayan. Very simple and minimalist. Next up is the amberjack with black truffle bits and sea salt. Mahilig ako sa truffle, so this is a 5 over 5. First time ko rin makakain ng amberjack. Hindi ko alam kung anong itsura nito sa dagat, pero carry na yan. Next up is the bluefin tuna with house soy marinated. Next up is the bluefin tuna. It's house soy marinated, kaya talagang mapulang-mapul. Next is the black cod, 5 over 5. Yung bluefin tuna is 3 over 5. The black cod is from Canada, seared with miso sake sauce. That's really good. 5 over 5. Dito nga pala sa Hidden Fish, mga 1 month in advance bago ka makapag-book ng table. Siguro mga 16 lang yung upuan doon. Tapos may 3 chef. Teka, ito muna yung uni and ikura. Offeran ako ni chef ng iba, pero sabi ko, I'm willing to try it. It's a 2/5 for me. Overwhelming yung pagka-sea water tasting niya. So, bleh, okay lang. Sa ibang tao, their favorite yan. Pero ako talagang try lang, I cannot. I cannot. Especially knowing na kung anong part to ng sea urchin, it's their gonads actually. Eto nga pala yung sa tingin kong pinakamasarap is the otoro. Bluefin tuna belly fat yan, day. Talagang very soft and delicate. Ikakat yan sa harapan mo kasi it easily oxidizes. So, ganyan ang effect niyan. 10/10 kahit hanggang 5 lang ang ating scale today. Ito naman yung toro tartar with pickled wasabi root. 4/5. Yung otoro nga pala galing daw yun sa Spain. Akalain mo ang sarap pala ng bluefin tuna sa Spain. I didn't know that. But most of their fish was delivered overnight from Japan, sabi ni chef. They order daily. Kaya yung menu nila, iba-iba din daily. This is the yellowtail hand roll with pickled radish and shisho leaf. Yung shisho leaf, para siyang mild na mint. Nagustuhan ko siya. And that's a wrap of the 18-course meal. And pwede ka pa naman mag-order. Ako nag-order pa ako. Feeling ko nabitin ako sa salmon. The New Zealand salmon sushi. Yan, pine-prepare niya yung mga nag-additional order. This is 150 per packs, tapos yung alcohol not included. Yung extra order mo, halos $8 ang average. Plus 25% tip. Very attentive yung mga server and sila chef. This is such a nice experience. Once in a while, kailangan tong experience, right?